Hi, my name is Thomas Pepe. I'm the president and owner of the Maryland Development Group. We're contractors for the restaurant industry as well as other commercial clients in New York City and throughout the boroughs. I've had the opportunity several times to work with Peter Martinez and the Master Fire team. Recently, we've worked with Peter on several projects, one being a feature restaurant in New York City called The Smith in Lincoln Center, among others like Dos Toros Taqueria in Brooklyn, as well as several past projects within the city and the boroughs. Peter is an asset to all of our restaurant projects because he's able to evaluate and verify a lot of site conditions for us, and he's always able to lend a hand in the engineering and fine-tuning of a kitchen project with respect to Ansel systems and exhaust systems and how site conditions can affect pricing, as well as the final operation, which is ultimately the biggest concern for an end user or a client. We always look to deliver restaurant projects quickly, and schedule is always a concern. So Peter always has jumped in to make sure that his part of the project is not a schedule issue. He usually is able to maneuver his manpower and materials on and off a job site as quick as we need him to, and that really is helpful for any fast delivery, fast track restaurant type project. I hope to work with Peter again in the future. We are actually working on a few projects now in the pricing stage, which means that there is a future for us to work together on other projects, and I would definitely recommend him as well to other contractors or end users for service, installation, design, filing, and the sign-off process, which ultimately is what gets a restaurant up and running when you need to and gets a client moving on to the next project.
Hi, I'm Gabriel Lucci. I'm a contractor. I specialize in restaurants here in New York City. I've been doing this for the past 7 years, and I've worked with Peter Martinez at Master Fire. He does all of our hood installations. He does custom hoods. He does Ansel systems. He does maintenance. We work with him exclusively because he's always on site. He does jobs very quickly, and he has great pricing. In New York City, the rents are very high and build-out time is very, very short usually, so you need to be able to deliver to the client, the restaurant, in as brief a period as possible. They want to open their doors and they want to be serving customers because they have a lot of overhead that they need to cover, and the longer a construction time takes, the longer it's going to be for them to be paying rent without having any income. So working with Peter's great because he's always been working with our schedule and he makes it happen, so we always get the restaurants open on time for the restaurateurs. And that way we've always had restaurant clients come back to us and they always want to do more restaurants with us and with Peter.
Now talk about what's the process like? You get a call to design or work on a new restaurant. At what point do you call Peter up, and how does the process work?
We always call Peter as soon as we get the first set of plans. Before there's a plan issued for construction, just for pricing, we'll look at it together and we'll go back to the clients and we'll offer the clients advice based on our expertise. My expertise in building, and Peter will offer his expertise in Ansel systems and hoods, and he'll give recommendations to the clients directly and to the engineers and the architects that are working on the project. So between the pricing set that we get and the construction set that's issued, there have been many changes that can help deliver better value to clients.
Hello, my name is Sean Thomas. I'm project manager / expediter. I'm self-employed, however, Master Fire is my #1 client. I've been in business 20 years now, and I've seen many companies come and go, and Master Fire has existed well before I even got into business. Let me explain to you a little bit about what they do. They install fire suppression systems, duct systems, fire extinguishers. They even sometimes install cooking equipment if you ask them to. They're the best at what they do, and I am honored to work with them. Peter Martinez is the head guy at Master Fire, and I've known him personally about 2 years. Very professional, self-sufficient, knowledgeable. He's always on the cutting edge of what's new regarding fire prevention systems.
When it comes to fire suppression, kitchen exhaust, and design and installation, for us, it's only Master Fire. They're the ones that we call, and we recommend them on every project.
When it comes to commercial kitchens, we wouldn't use anybody else except Peter Martinez from Master Fire.
If you need anything regarding restaurant installations, modifications, violation removals, they're the best that I know. Like I said, I've been doing this 20 years.
Please call us at 718-828-6424 or contact us at www.masterfireprevention.com.